start this, dude. Ian, dude, we got the gen back here. This guy's got an ISR exhaust that you need, and that duck fin. All right, guys, this is so cool. I love it. So you guys know that I have my 1.6 boosted Miata, but I got another car. I got it. Hold on. Yeah, let me show you.
It's a 1.8, boys.
And like Kevin said, it's a 1.8. So I have a lot of explaining to do, which I will do in this video. But let's just give it a look here. So, dude, this thing is pretty mint. So let's just go over it. So a lot of you are like, dude, Calvin, why in the world did you just buy another Miata when you have your track Miata right there? And like you're gonna be Ecotech swapping it? Why, dude, why? So many questions. Before we get into that, let me just describe to you that this is a 1994 1.8 Mazda Miata. Mine is a 1.6 in 1992. But, so I bought this car because this is gonna be my dad's track car. So technically, like I bought it, but he's gonna be buying it from me for his track car. I couldn't pass it up. I told my dad, I was like, we have to get this. Yeah, it was a good deal. So you're gonna be like, wait, hold on. It's a 1.8, but how many miles? So this has 234,000 miles, and I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. I picked this car up for $3,000. So you're like, dude, what are you doing, man? It's 234,000 miles. You can pick up like all kinds of different Miatas.
Rip the audio real quick. Just rip. Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Rip that audio real quick.
But like, you can pick up so many more Miatas for cheaper than $3,000. But hold on, hold on. This one. So, this body, like, I mean, this Miata, if it was stock, which it's not, the motor stock, but if there's other stuff on here that I'll be talking about, if this car was stock, you'd probably sell it for like 2K. But this car already has some wheels on it, which these are really nice. I forget.
Chopper, right?
They're the Chopper, or something like that. Chopper, or I forget what they're called, but they're really nice wheels. But the biggest thing, the three things that I bought this car for, has a hard dog already. It's already bolted in, has a Torsen diff, and it has BC coilovers, which is a huge.
Some nice BCs.
It's a huge
BCs
plus.
For the boys. You always gotta. BCs for the boys.
BCs for the boys.
BCs for the boys.
Just like this thing is very, very clean. Let me show you guys. So it's a 1.8, it has 234,000 miles. Now don't get me wrong, if you do maintenance on Miatas, like they will last. Like this thing runs like a dream. I'm not gonna be like, I've been daily driving it. I've driven it like 200 miles almost, and I picked it up like 4 days ago, and I've driven already 200 miles with it, and like I love this car so far. So the only bad thing on the body is, as you guys can see, like the paint's kind of chipping on and everything. But dude, look at this interior. I know you guys can't see this very well. It has the tan interior. Here, let me grab the light real quick. There we go. It has the tan interior. This thing is, other than the steering wheel, it's very, very clean in here.
Nice dash.
You guys have the hard dog roll bar in there, like you can see. It's pretty dark. The seats are kind of, we're just gonna steam clean the seats, but other than that, it is extremely clean. Other than it doesn't have a radio, which I mean, race car, so it doesn't need that. I was super excited to let you guys know that we got another Miata coming, because it'll be a lot more Miata content for the channel, but you guys are probably thinking like another track car, so there probably won't be like, there'll probably be like similar content, which I guess it could be, but there'll be two cars, so a lot more content with people driving the cars and more action. So we already picked up some tires for this thing, some grippier tires like 205s, and then I have that coming, and then there's a few maintenance issues with the car, so we're gonna get that fixed, and then I'll probably hand it off to my dad so he can get acquainted with it, because you got to like be able to know the car, like the Miata, before you go on the track. So he'll probably take it for 2 weeks. I'll get it a little bit more prep for him, and then he'll keep driving the car. And then our track day for both of these cars, it's gonna be so fun, is March 18th at Atlanta Motorsports Park. That's what, AMP. And like these two,
they're gonna kill it out there.
They're gonna kill it. So I'm pretty excited. This car is basically, it has AC, power steering. Like this one does not have any of that.
That's full race car.
Yeah.
You gotta think of it as this way. This is two different things for the channel. Full race car, and then you've got like
This is like
your Roadster. Like this is a classic. Like
the
on the weekend,
Daleable
you just wanna go on a daily
1.8
drive. Like this is a weekend car.
Yeah,
but it's
and
good for track.
Dude, this thing is so fun. We're probably gonna dial it in. We're gonna lower it, put new tires on it, alignment, wheel balance. But I mean, the car is so fun to drive already. We'll have to get a racing seat for my dad. He is 6'2", so we're gonna have to maybe cut the pan of the car, and then so he can fit under the roll bar with the helmet. But other than that, like, dude, this car is perfect for him. He doesn't have any track experience, so putting him in a 1.8 Miata is perfect for the track. And I think he's gonna be so excited. He loved the car right off the bat, and he's super excited to get on the track. Like I said, guys, a lot more content coming on the channel just because we got another Miata, and we have so much content coming for the boosted Miata, because you guys know we are in the process of motor swapping the car, so Ecotech swapping going in. And you know, maybe if Car Passion channel watches this, once I swap the Ecotech in, because I know he's racing Danny Courtney in his Miata, but maybe I'll have to call him out once I get the full motor swap in. But as always, guys, if you like Miata content, you should have been here a while ago. For the OGs, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this content, definitely give it a big thumbs up. And as always, GPG, have an amazing day. Peace out, guys, and see you in the next one.